Hello everyone, masigi video ase lower body damta semjaba video ni ado mayam exercise puna view ado mangarak repeat view aduga mayam da khangani mamata adu di mayam support toga share toga hena I motivate pangi matang video semjaba da aduna mayam share view ki channel go subscribe view aduga I channel ki video puna view fitness ki related video ngatani ahamba exercise maming high jump kawi adudi aina ahamba exercise se cardio adudi isage full warm up ki damakta sigi exercise na ahamba thambani adudi exercise ahamba ho matamda warm up jam thauta ara mayam asi se 20 reps view ado makha taba exercise continue to view second ge exercise maming oblique rotation kawi adudi aina asi exercise se upper body amasung abs and core damakta mayada hapani mayam asi se side animal 10 reps view aduga makha gi exercise continue to view third exercise si maming free arm squat kawi adudi asi se mainly lower body adudi legs ki damakta ni ada mayam asi se to matam da yamna su yang na fast to no aduga medium da to view adudi legs kini henjana yang toraga hakchang da effect lakani adudi asi se to matam da mayam 20 natra 15 rest of you ado makha taba exercise continue to assistant last exercise ni ado dc exercise maming back and forth squat kawi asise mainly lower body amasung cardio ni mayam asise videos jenga present to view si se 15 20 reps to view ado mayam na channel support to view and share to view and subscribe to view. Thank you.